Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP LaserJet MFP M234sdwe printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to locate or search for HP LaserJet Pro MFP space M428 FDW drivers. Go ahead and search for that. But the best result should be an HP support page that says HP LaserJet Pro MFP M428 FDW software and drivers. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down here, select the HP LaserJet Pro M428-M429 FDW printer full software solution. Select the download button. And then once it's downloaded to your computer, go ahead and open up that file to run it. And just give that a moment. It should be a signed driver from HP Inc. And then once that user account control prompt screen comes up, you want to select yes to proceed with the installation. And select yes. And then, like I said, just follow along with the on-screen directions here of getting your printer synced up properly to your device. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.